This is Smith with TI, and I would like to share with you my favorite gym bag ever, and it's the ultimate gym bag from FocusGear 2.0. This ultimate gym bag has everything that I want in a gym bag. So I really want to show you everything is in here and how much space you have without even noticing. So first we have in here 2 pockets where you can put your water, so very nice, and you get a side pocket here so you can just use to put different stuff. But look at this is the size 20 inches and that's the medium size. So in front you will have these 2 compartments. This here opens all the way, as you can see. So, and it has so much space. It has little things that I feel it's nice and you won't find in any other gym bag. Like this right here, for example, has like a plastic. This one is for you to put your towel. Your wet towel after taking a shower in the gym, you don't want your other clothes or other belongings to get wet. Well, this is perfect. Any type of size of shoes, I'm sorry. Love it, but that's just my point of view.